Find or read reviews that people are talking about AixPool Large Inflatable Pool with lights. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Ultimate Lounge Pool, 121 x 73 x 20 inches, fits for adults with safe depth balancing, fun and parental peace of mind. Wire-free solar LED lights, 12 modes, charge by day and glow after dark, ideal for hangouts and adult-size pool parties. 3D ocean theme creates a magical underwater wonderland. Premium UV-protected PVC for durability, with quick inflation, easy storage, fast draining, indoor and outdoor use anytime. Stunning 3D underwater ocean-themed pool for the backyard, your ticket to a whimsical underwater wonderland. Bursting with hyper-vivid ocean scenery, it cranks up the magic after dark. Suddenly your little ones are gliding with playful dolphins and exploring a vibrant seabed, right at home. A striking centerpiece for patio, deck and sunroom, and the star of every summer water party. Built-in solar LED lights line every outdoor pool wall, no messy wires, no dead batteries, just pure sun-powered magic. Let the sun charge the inflatable pool with lights by day, and watch it bloom after dark with 12 dynamic light modes to set your perfect vibe. Soft warm tones for cozy hangs, or blast bright neon hues to turn your backyard into the neighborhood's hottest night swim party hub. This is how you make summer nights unforgettable. Built to last for non-stop outdoor fun, crafted from heavy-duty 0.4mm premium PVC, this big blow-up pool features rigid, sag-proof walls for steady, reliable use. Engineered with strong UV protection, our large blow-up pool for adults shields against harmful sun rays to prevent fading, cracking, and premature wear even with daily outdoor exposure. Ultra convenient for anytime, anywhere fun. Connect to a standard air pump for blazing fast inflation, ready to play in minutes, no lengthy setup. Perfect for backyards, porches, and decks, plus indoor use in sunrooms, basements, or garages. Lightweight for effortless off-season storage, and equipped with a 90 degrees vertical drain pipe for fast, complete water drainage. This pool with seat delivers endless fun. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.